Welcome back, everyone. Today, we have some amazing kitchen and home gadgets for you. Grab your favorites, and you'll find links to all the products in the description below. This rapid egg cooker is the ultimate solution for perfect eggs every time. With a 6-egg capacity, it can handle hard-boiled, poached, scrambled eggs, or even omelets, all in a flash. The sleek black design fits seamlessly into any kitchen, and the auto shut-off feature ensures your eggs are cooked just right without any guesswork. Whether you're prepping breakfast or snacks, this egg cooker makes it easy, fast, and hassle-free. Get your eggs exactly how you want them, every time. This soda can lids are the perfect must-have for keeping your drinks fresh and fizzy. These BPA-free, reusable lids fit most standard cans, making them ideal for soda, beer, energy drinks, juice, and seltzers. Whether you're at a picnic, beach day, or just chilling at home, these lids help preserve your drink's carbonation while protecting it from spills and bugs. Plus, the clear design lets you easily spot your drink, keeping it simple and convenient. Keep your drinks fresher for longer with these smart and eco-friendly fizz lids. This floating shelves set is the perfect way to add a touch of modern elegance to any room. Featuring a sleek white design with invisible brackets, these shelves seamlessly blend into your wall, giving the illusion of floating storage. Ideal for your bathroom, living room, bedroom, or kitchen, these versatile shelves are perfect for displaying decorative items, plants, or organizing essentials. With a set of 3, you can easily create a stylish and functional space without sacrificing style. Make your walls work for you with these minimalistic, space-saving shelves. This foldable ironing board is your compact solution to crisp clothes without taking up half your room. It fits perfectly on tabletops or laundry machines and folds away in a snap, making it ideal for dorms, apartments, and travel. The heat-resistant cover and non-slip feet ensure safety and smooth ironing, even if you're in a hurry. Iron out your outfit wrinkles without wrinkling your space or your vibe. This silicone sink topper is a multitasking queen, acting as a brush cleaning mat, a hot tool organizer, and a counter space extender, all rolled into one sleek bathroom upgrade. Fold it out over your sink for extra space while doing makeup or organizing your toiletries. Heat-resistant and travel-friendly, it's especially perfect for tight bathroom setups and RV life. Turn your cluttered counter into a sleek beauty station that moves with you. This retro yellow bread box is giving serious vintage charm while keeping your loaves, bagels, and buns perfectly fresh. Made of durable stainless steel with a classic roll-top design, it adds a nostalgic pop to your countertop and even comes with a butter dish and ebook for storing and serving with flair. It's not just storage, it's kitchen decor that brings back the good old days. Because bread deserves a cute home, too. This set of expandable pull-out drawers is a total cabinet game-changer. With a smooth glide system and strong nano-adhesive, it's perfect for keeping your kitchen, pantry, or bathroom neatly organized and clutter-free. No more digging through messy shelves. These drawers bring everything right to your fingertips. Get ready to love your cabinets again. Now they actually work with you, not against you. This window cleaner robot is the real MVP of glass game. With strong suction, it clings to your windows, tiles, or even glass doors like it was born for the job. The smart navigation maps out its route for edge-to-edge sparkle while you chill. Use the remote control to direct it like a high-tech butler for your windows. Whether you're reaching high windows or tricky corners, it's got you covered without the ladder drama. Bonus: it turns window cleaning from a chore to a satisfying tech flex. This Shark Steam and Scrub Mop is here to bring the spa treatment to your floors. With 3 steam modes, dual spinning pads, and Steam Blaster tech, it deep cleans and polishes in one glide. Those LED headlights? They reveal the grime lurking in plain sight. Say goodbye to sticky spots, gunk, and dull surfaces. The Shark does the dirty work while keeping it sleek and sanitized. Your floors will feel fresher than a 5-star hotel lobby. Yep, your mop just got a serious glow-up. This mud scrubber mat is your first line of defense against dirt chaos. Set it by your door and let the heavy-duty rubber bristles go to town on muddy boots, shoes, or paws. Whether it's post-hike or post-rainstorm, it scrapes and scrubs off the grime with zero fuss. Rain or shine, this mat stays put and keeps your floors cleaner than ever. Who knew fighting mud could feel this satisfying? This mini vacuum might look cute, But don't let that fool you, it's a beast. With a powerful brushless motor and cordless, foldable design, this Saker vac goes from car seats to keyboards to pet hair patrol in seconds. Rechargeable and compact, it's your go-anywhere grime fighter. Whether it's snack crumbs or fur explosions, consider them gone. It's the kind of gadget you'll want to gift, but also secretly keep for yourself. This mop slippers are turning cleaning into a literal walk in the park. Just slip them on and let the microfiber soles pick up dust, dirt, and hair as you move. They're detachable, washable, and low-key genius for baseboards and hardwood floors. Cleaning your space just became your new dance break. Who needs a broom when you've got floor-friendly footwear? This digital rice cooker is the definition of smart and healthy. With auto-cook presets, a touchscreen, and a removable PFAS and PFOA-free ceramic pot, it's a clean cook every time. Perfect for 1 to 2 people, it keeps rice warm, fluffy, and ready when you are. Plus, clean up a breeze thanks to the dishwasher-safe pot. Healthy, easy, and kind of adorable on your counter? Total win. This electric grinder set isn't just salt and pepper, it's spice control with a side of class. Rechargeable, adjustable, and fitted with LED lights, you can season like a pro with one hand while cooking with the other. Whether you want fine or coarse, just twist the dial and go. Bonus points for the modern stainless steel finish. It looks as sleek as it works. Your kitchen just leveled up in both flavor and flair. This handcrafted American maple drying rack brings old-school charm and modern-day practicality to your laundry game. Built by skilled hands in Pennsylvania, it's sturdy, collapsible, and made from solid wood. None of that flimsy stuff here. Whether you're air-drying delicates or cutting back on dryer time, this eco-friendly option folds down for easy storage when you're done. It's the kind of timeless piece that makes laundry feel less like a chore and more like a ritual. When craftsmanship meets sustainability, you know you're hanging your clothes on greatness. This electric makeup brush cleaner is the glow-up your brushes desperately need. With powerful friction action, it spins your tools squeaky clean in seconds, removing residue, oil, and product buildup without wasting cleanser. It's compact, easy to use, and way more satisfying than scrubbing by hand. Whether it's sponge, puff, or powder brush, this gadget handles them all like a pro. Clean brushes equals flawless face. Your beauty routine just got smarter and way more fun. This instant dry sink caddy duo is the countertop upgrade you didn't know you needed. Designed for fast drainage and airflow, it keeps your sponge, soap, and scrubber high and dry. No more soggy mess. With stainless steel feet, non-slip bottoms, and a clean white finish, it adds both function and a fresh aesthetic to your kitchen or bath. These caddies are a sleek way to stay organized and keep it classy. Minimal mess, maximum style, because even your sponge deserves a home. And there you have it. Which gadget are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.